Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Python without a computer. You can absolutely build a strong foundation in programming logic and syntax even without immediate access to a machine. We will focus on understanding the fundamental building blocks of Python, such as how variables store information, the different types of data, and how to control the flow of your program using conditional statements and repetition. This conceptual understanding is crucial for any aspiring programmer. To effectively learn offline, leverage readily available resources. Textbooks and online ebooks offer comprehensive guides to Python's features and best practices. The official Python documentation is an invaluable, free resource for understanding syntax and standard library modules. Crucially, dedicate time to writing out code by hand in a notebook. This physical act reinforces memory and helps you internalize the structure of Python programs. Developing strong problem-solving skills is paramount. Challenge yourself by mentally solving coding puzzles or writing out solutions on paper. Focus on designing clear, step-by-step algorithms for tasks like sorting a list or searching for an item. Practice tracing the execution of small code snippets, predicting the output for each line. This mental exercise sharpens your logical thinking and prepares you for debugging. As you progress, delve into more advanced concepts such as object-oriented programming, understanding classes and objects. Explore fundamental data structures like lists, tuples, sets, and dictionaries, recognizing their unique uses. Finally, plan out several small projects in detail, outlining their logic and required components. This preparation will make your transition to actual coding on a computer much smoother and more productive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.